Now, on this particular section, the level one, okay, let's now get down into the level one. So on the level one, right, on the level one, we have got further levels of filtration. So let's go and take a look at it. So what is that? It is talking to you about the wide filter and the narrow filter. Okay. What is a wide filter and the narrow filter? Wide filter and narrow filter talks about the wide and narrow CPR. The wide and narrow CPR is what differentiates it. So you can see here, this is the wide CPR and these are the narrow CPR. So if you want to know from the entire basket of level one trades, which are the wide ones, which are the narrow ones, you don't have to worry. We have sorted it for you. You got the wide ones here, you got the narrow ones here, and then you can plan your trade. So that's how easy we have made it for you to take a trade. All right. So now with that, you get an idea of which are the stocks and what is the status of the CPR and how you need to approach it. Now, when you drill down to that particular stock, you can also create, suppose you want to track the level one stocks better and see how it is moving. I will show you how you can track the same. So now you can see here, you can create a basket also. Everywhere we have given this facility for you to create your own watch list. You can see here, you can create your own watch list.